Kaitlin Armstrong was first brought in for questioning on May 12th for a misdemeanor, accused of not paying for Botox. Because of confusion about her birthday, she was told she was free to leave, something she said she would like to do, but the conversation continued. A more than 13-minute video shows Armstrong nodding in agreement as an Austin police detective speaks, making general statements about wanting her side of the story. The defense argues the affidavit falsely claiming she was nodding in agreement with incriminating information revealed earlier in the conversation. The affidavit also states Armstrong says she was certain about understanding the detective when video shows she said she was uncertain. The detective told the court that was a mistake. The defense also argues that the interview was actually an illegal interrogation because Armstrong was never read her Miranda rights. She said she wanted to leave 5 times and said repeatedly she wanted an attorney. The detective said she continued the conversation because Armstrong engaged and felt her statements were not definitive. Defense argued Armstrong used definitive language, and the state pointed out the detective told Armstrong she was free to leave 5 times. The defense also asked a detective questions about mischaracterizing the probable cause affidavit, the detective saying everything written was to the best of his knowledge at the time. Multiple pieces of evidence were submitted, including interviews with Armstrong's friend and Colin Strickland, who was believed to be romantically involved with Wilson. There were also calls from anonymous tipsters, including the one who said Armstrong wanted to kill Wilson. The defense claimed the detective was leading Strickland during questioning and drawing conclusions about the relationship. The detective said multiple people corroborated that information. The affidavit was signed before the ballistics report for the gun used was released, and so the detective incorrectly stated on the affidavit there was a match. The defense team not commenting.